Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's have a look at the property that we stayed in Goa. This property is situated in Varca, known as Sterling. This is not at all a sponsored video by Sterling. Just entered and we're just trying to settle with our luggage. I think there is a lot of facilities available which we were informed prior to checking. But before that, let's have a look at the room that we stayed in. So we had taken 3 rooms over here. Okay, this is the bathroom. Looks very neat and clean. Here we go. Then we have one room, the bed, there is a side table next to it. Beautiful piece of art. The room was very spacious with enough sunlight. We had one TV, the basic facilities that every hotel would provide.
The room was very basic. Huh? It was not wow.
Yeah, it was a basic room, and this is the view from the window. In between 3 rooms, we had an L-shaped corridor, and this is the view from it. Though the balcony is not attached to the room, but when we were entering, since we had taken 3 rooms, we had the corner rooms, and this is the view. This is the view downstairs near the swimming pool. We really love this piece of art. This is the ground floor, which is very close to the swimming pool. They have a restaurant over here where you can sit inside and eat food, where you also get a buffet and an a la carte served. Very close to that, you have an open restaurant near the swimming pool. You can enjoy your food in an open air restaurant, and which is what we really liked over here. Let us also see the facilities that has been provided over here. This is an area which is very close to the parking area, so we have an entrance from here also. I meant we have an exit from here also. Look at the greenery. The hotel also has a gym and a spa. Let us have a look at the gym. The gym was kept open. Do you know? Can start. Very beautiful view. The hotel is quite open, spacious, which we really liked it. A lot of greenery always soothes your eyes. So let us see how does the stay go ahead. This is just the day that we have entered. And we're sitting, chatting, gossiping. That is what a vacation is for. Alright, thanks for being connected with us. If you really like our video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also do like our video, share, subscribe, and do comment on the channel. Thank you.